Student, I am Mr. Abdul Halim from Patadhaupara High School. Today I want to teach about how do we want to be good citizens. As a student of class 19, as a student, you have to be good, to do something for our society, for our country, overall our family. To be a good citizen, you have to prepare. To be a good citizen, you have to prepare yourself to do good work in society. To be a good citizen, you have to do good work for society. Well, then how can you or we prepare ourselves or yourself? First you need knowledge. Today's society is knowledge based. Today's society is knowledge based. Today's society is knowledge based. Without having knowledge of modern science, technology, including ICT, information, communication and technology, and other necessary subjects, you will have difficulty living a good life. Dear student, you have to acquire knowledge about such as ICT, technology, modern science, or so forth. The other areas you, as a good citizen, should have knowledge about. If you want to be a good citizen, you have to know knowledge about our country, its constitution, geography and people. Country, its institution, geography and people. Our states, its executive and legislative powers. Our judicial system, our government and its structures and function. Our government and its structure and functions, our history, culture, traditions, literature, moral values and religions. History, culture, tradition, literature, moral values and religions. Dear student, history, culture, traditions, literature, moral values and religions, our socio-economics activities and educational system. Am I right, my dear student? Are you understand? Second, already you have to know about knowledge. What is knowledge? No one can see. Today's society already you have known. Today's society knowledge based. You have to acquire various branches of knowledge such as technology, ICT, modern science, state, constitution, geography, people, judiciary, and legislative, government, and its function and culture, or so forth. Second, now we are going to know about skills. You need skills to do things. You need skills to do things. Yes, student, you need skills to do things. Knowledge is not enough. My dear student, knowledge is not enough. Knowledge is not enough. Yes, student, knowledge is not enough. Absolutely right. Knowledge is not enough. You must be able to apply your knowledge to do things practically. You must be able to. We able to. I able to. You able to. They able to. We are the citizen. We must be able to. You must be able to apply your knowledge to do things practically. Dear student, finally, knowing and doing things will bring about a change in your behavior towards others. Knowing and doing things will bring about a good change in your behavior towards others. This behavioral change will show your attitudes towards others, that it will show how you think and feel about a person or things. As a student, you have to do certain things. Dear student, you should love of all the students and also love of your country, culture, language, or so forth. Let's take an example. Let's go. Suppose you actually, as a student, need to know about group work. Yes, student, it's important. Group work. But a student, it's one kind of technique to acquire knowledge. Dear student, so you ask yourself, or your teacher, or anyone else, work. What is group work? Or you may find about it in a book. In this way, you may know, or you may have the knowledge about group work. To do group work, the class has to be divided into various. The class has to divided in groups. Some groups. Each group is to do some text given by the teacher in the class. The group members will discuss and share. The group members will discuss and share ideas and points, and finally one member will write the answers. Then you start working in groups. Let's go. In each group, you take turns discussing points and answering questions. In this way, you can actually do the text. Your teacher Your teacher who teaches in the class or stand in the class may monitor or observe, or look after and help you to do the work. Dear student, I obviously through regular group work, it is expected that there will be noticeable change in your behavior. Possible change are, dear student, possible change are, you will develop the skill of speaking freely in English with your classmate and teacher in class and outside class. Or whole of the area, you can easily speak in English. If you want to speak English, you have to practice more and more with your partners, teachers, or so forth. Overall, your shyness will gradually decrease. You will develop the attitudes of helping and cooperating with each other. Day by day, you can improve to speak in English fluently in class and outside class. You will develop the attitudes of helping and cooperating with each other. You will learn to behave in a democratic way. You will learn to behave in a democratic way. Most importantly, we discuss this behavioral change taking place inside the classroom will be carried or outside the classroom in real life situation. Dear student, আমরা যদি ভালো নাগরিক হতে চাই, আমাদের জ্ঞান অর্জন করতে হবে। এই জ্ঞানগুলো কীভাবে অর্জন? আমি যে কালচারে বড় হয়েছি in বাংলাদেশ, আমাদের হিস্ট্রি, কালচার, এগুলো সম্পর্কে তোমাকে জানতে হবে। তোমাকে দক্ষতার সহিত স্কিল পারসন হতে হবে। নলেজ ইজ নট এনাফ, কথাটা অ্যাবসলিউটলি রাইট। তোমাকে এই নলেজটাকে আবার দক্ষতায় পরিণত করতে হবে, প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, চর্চা করতে হবে। মোরবার তোমার আচরণগত একটা পরিবর্তন নিয়ে আসবে। জ্ঞান অর্জন করলে, দক্ষ হলে তুমি একজন দক্ষ নাগরিক হিসেবে দেশ মাতৃকার স্বার্থে কিছু কাজ করতে পারবে। ওভারঅল আমরা স্টুডেন্ট, আমরা ইংলিশ ক্লাসে যেহেতু ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা আমাদের ভালো করে জানতে হবে, যদি দলগত কাজ করি আমরা নিজেদেরকে একটু ডেমোক্রেটিক পন্থায়, রাইট ও রং পন্থায় হোক, আমরা যদি নিজেরা একটু নিজেদের মধ্যে কনভারসেশন করি, তাহলে আমরা যদি ধীরে ধীরে এটাকে ডেভেলপ করতে চাই, আমাদের লাজুকতা দূর হবে এবং আমরা সহজেই ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারবো, নিজেদের ভাব প্রকাশ করতে পারবো। সো আমাদের ফার্স্ট অফ অল টু বি অ্যাকোয়ার নলেজ অ্যান্ড টু বি স্কিলড অ্যান্ড টু বি অ্যাটিটিউড পারসন হতে হবে। তো আজকে এখানে শেষ করছি। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।